Most men don't need a personal trainer, they need a mission. Most men don't need another motivational quote, they need a war plan. This is that plan, simple, ruthless, scroll-proof. You were not made to be soft, you were not made to be tired. You were made to dominate, to rise, to lead, but your body is the weapon you abandoned. Let's rebuild it. Step 1. Reset your sleep rhythm. For 7 days, wake up at the same time. 6 a.m. is ideal. No screens after 9 p.m. Eat your last meal by 7 p.m. Get sunlight in your eyes within 15 minutes of waking. This resets your hormones, lowers cortisol, and begins the testosterone rebuild. Scrolls skip this, Centurions ritualize it. Step 2. Clean fuel protocol. Cut the sugar, the seed oils, the sodas, the processed snacks. Add protein, eggs, beef, fish. Add clean fats, olive oil, avocados. Drink 1 gallon of water a day, eat 30 g of protein within 30 minutes of waking, eat the same few meals over and over. Identity is built through repetition, not flavor. Scrolls eat for taste, Centurions eat for fuel. Step 3. Move every single day. Walk 2 miles daily, 3 times a week, strength train, push, pull, squat, hinge, 2 times a week, zone 2 cardio, jog, bike, ruck, 1 day a week, war mode, sprints, hills, stairs, fight training. Your body will transform, but more than that, your identity will harden. Scrolls say, I'm too tired. Centurions say, it's not optional. Step 4. Cold fire ritual. Every morning, cold shower, 2 to 5 minutes, stay calm, breathe deep through your nose. Repeat, I am the fire, I don't run from discomfort. This isn't about hygiene, it's about forging steel in your nervous system. Scrolls quit, Centurions awaken. Step 5. The warrior morning stack. This is your first hour. Wake up, cold shower, 20 push-ups minimum, 15-minute walk in sunlight, 24 ounces of water, protein-heavy breakfast. You do this 7 days and your brain changes. Do it for 30 and your identity shifts. Do it for 90 and you will never go back. Step 6. Track to win. Grab a 30-day paper grid. No apps, no dopamine traps, paper, pen. Mark every win with a black X. Miss a day, red X. Count your losses, then dominate them. Scrolls rely on emotion. Centurions rely on evidence. Step 7. Fortify the mind. Read 10 pages a day. No audiobooks, no YouTube, actual reading. Goggins, Jocko, Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, the ancient texts, the warrior codes. A strong body with a weak mind is still a liability. Step 8. Final rites. Every Sunday, reflect. Did I honor the temple or betray it? Burn what failed. Journal what worked. Prep your meals. Schedule your lifts. Recenter on the mission. You are not a man drifting anymore. You are the keeper of the compass. Scrolls are not wanted. If you're still watching and you're not applying this, you already lost. But if something in this hit you in the ribs, if this made you want to take your body back, then it's time. Join us. OLP 365, a nation of men. Pick up your sword, rebuild the temple, be the man. Step 9, the 90-day Centurion Challenge. Commit to all 8 steps, every day. Document it, photos, journal entries, daily wins. And on day 90, burn your old self. Health is not a six-pack, it's not a resolution. It's a return to the man you were built to be. If you're still here, you are not a scroll. You are almost a Centurion. To finish the path, join the Brotherhood at OLP 365. We are a nation of men. We fight, we rebuild, we rise. Pick up your sword, rebuild your body, rebuild your life. OLP 365. Fight on.